Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Far Cry 4 DLL not found, not located in dynamic link library error. All right, let's begin. First, open Windows Security on your computer. From the left panel, click on Protection History. Click the drop-down arrow next to the threat to view the file path. If the blocked file belongs to the Far Cry 4 game directory, click Actions and select Allow to restore the file. If the file is still missing, open your web browser and download the required DLL file manually. Once the file is downloaded, save it to your desktop and extract the zip folder. Next, copy the DLL file and open your Far Cry 4 game directory. If you are using Steam, right-click the game, select Manage, then click Browse Local Files. Now paste the DLL file here. So that's basically how you can fix Far Cry 4 DLL not found, not located in dynamic link library error. That's it for this video. Thanks.